Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to make a breakfast, and it's gonna be like a simple and easy breakfast. So I'm gonna make a cheese broccoli soup. So what is the ingredients? Here we go. So in here we have an onion. I just use like a half onion because I have a big onion, but if you have a small onion you can just use one small onion. And then I have a 4 tablespoon butter, and I have cheddar cheese here, and then I have a half teaspoon of salt. We can just test later. If you need more, you can just add more later on. And then I have like 2 tablespoons of the flour, and then I have a milk here. I have a carrot. You can just chop it in the shape that you want to do it, but this is the easiest way that I can do. And then I have a broccoli, and I have a fresh corn. I just slice it like that. And I have a parmesan cheese here. So I have all of the ingredients nearby my stove right now. So first of all, we're gonna put the butter inside, make it melted, just stir it. If you don't have a butter, you can just replace it with olive oil or maybe just vegetable oil. It's up to you. So after all the butter melted, the first thing that we can put is the onion right inside of the pan. So here's the onion. So you guys just stir it until you can smell the onion. Okay guys, now I can smell the smell of onion, and then the shape of onion also changes. So this is the time you're gonna put the flour inside. So let's put it inside. So the flour gonna make the texture of the soup creamy. Just stir all of them. So now I have the milk. We're gonna put the milk inside. So like that, approximate for now. And then we're gonna keep stirring because we don't want to break the texture of the milk because it will be not pretty. Okay, so now the milk is warm already. So we're gonna put inside the vegetables. Broccoli inside, and then I put the carrot and all the corn. Okay. Then we stir it again. So all of the veggie inside of the milk, it looks pretty, the color. And then we need to keep stirring because we don't want to break the milk. Okay, so now the milk is boiled, so this is the time to put the cheese. Let's put the cheese inside. Until it melts. And I'm gonna put also some of the parmesan cheese. Actually, you can put all the cheese as much as you want. You can taste it, if you like it, and you can see, guys, the soup becomes so creamy. It's just gonna make the things lower, the stove lower. And I'm gonna give a pinch of salt. I will not put all because I need to taste it first. 2 pinch of salt. Okay guys, I just tasted it. It need more salt, so I just gonna put all of the salt. Okay guys, now the soup is ready, so we can try it. I have tried actually. Let me try again. So here is the soup. It's delicious, and you can try it at home. This is for a simple breakfast, easy, and of course it's healthy. So see you again in my next video.